Kitchen again with Chef Ricardo, juice bar channel, and also salad bar. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning to Chef Ricardo. I still got on my jumper. It's coming up to Christmas. A little bit chilly, you know what I mean, but I was wearing my jumper at this time of the year when it's coming up to Christmas. Anyway, a simple salad we can make at home, you know what I mean, unique and healthy for you guys. So stay tuned as I show you how to make this healthy salad. Thank you so much for watching my show. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and my name is Chef Ricardo. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned. So basically, as you can see exactly what's going on right here, I have roughly about a handful of mixed leaf left over, and I'm gonna make a nice, lovely, healthy salad. All right, got some red onion, which is very good. I'm using my small knife to do my cutting. So basically, simple. Slice up your red onion. Alright. Got a medium-sized tomato. Gonna do some slices. Celery is a must. So I'm using almost the stalks of the celery. I love celery. Just fold everything together. Things looking good. Make sure you wash off your leaves and wash off your stuff them here, guys. Very important. Using half a cucumber. Yeah, look at that, beautiful and nice. So we're going to crack a little bit of pepper on it. And also, I normally have my dry chili. I love to use a little bit of dry chili, but I can't find my chili. But anyway, don't worry. I'm gonna use a little bit of apple cider vinegar on it, and a pinch of olive oil. Nice one. So as you can see, is that what I'm doing. And pop it straight inside of this bowl like this. Weight loss salad. You guys, I can't go around with them kind of salad there. Nice one. Yeah, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo This is Chef Ricardo salad bar and juice bar in one, and as you can see, this is a weight loss salad. Very healthy recipe, guys. I want you guys to stay tuned, and we have a lot more recipe coming. And subscribe, leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. This is just a weight loss salad. As you can see, you can have this in for lunch, in the morning, breakfast, dinner, whenever you like to have it, you can have it. So enjoy the recipe, and I will see you next time with more healthy weight loss salad like this. See you next time. Bye bye.